What's up, guys? It's your boy Yark. What's up, guys? It's your boy Rocket with another video, and today I'm going to be doing some more blinkers, and I've got some chicken blickies that I'm going to be eating ballpark style, the way my aunt used to make them when me and my cousin was in Little League. If you know, you know. If you don't, get fucked. And then I might tell you, if you tell me who you fucked. Otherwise, you ain't learning shit until you watch the video, and then you'll know. So I'm gonna give it like a minute before I do anything, except look for the vape. I gotta find the vape, because I can't do shit without the vape. It's on the other side of the fucking bed. My cat is staring at my chicken blickies, prowling. When I tell you this is the best way, I haven't had it since I was a kid, but this is the best way. Concession style, the way my Aunt Lisa used to serve them up. You don't know what that is? Don't worry about it. Did that all in one fell swoop. Blinkers times. Blinker times. I haven't blinked in a bit today, so forgive me. Oh, hey, hi. I forgot. I'm doing blinkers and eating chicken blickies, ballpark style, the way my aunt served them to me. I got 2 drinks. I got something to drink. This is basically homemade yoo-hoo. It's water and chocolate syrup. It needs more chocolate syrup. Otherwise, not bad. More like watered down chocolate. This is chocolate milk. Which also tastes like not very chocolatey milk. I gotta do my chocolate drinks better before I do anything. Okay. It's weak ass store brand dollar store chocolate syrup, if anybody's wondering. That's why. It's not Hershey's. It's not any type of brand that's reputable, that's known for being good. It's a store brand. Okay, I think this is gonna be good. Yoo-hoo at home. Needs more chocolate for sure. Added more to the milk too. that syrup is very weak. Anyways, I've got some cheese sauce and ketchup. As the Velveeta, because I'm pretty sure that's what all the ballparks be using to make their cheese sauce. And once they got Rico's, and then I don't know what to say. Hey, back up. And ketchup. Now, I know you're probably wondering, cheese and ketchup? Put the shit together in your head. I don't care. Cheese and ketchup. There's a reason why each family member that shares a specific thing shares that specific thing with you. Especially when, you know, you say you're hungry but you don't know what you want type shit. That's actually like most people's default. I think one of the things for me, why that shit stuck in my brain so much, my aunt was another pretty formative person in my life. And if you're anybody that knows anything about me or my family, my aunt was a no bullshit type person. There was one time where she was working the concessions at the ballpark. She didn't ask us what she wanted. She just told us, hey, come to the concessions at this time. I'm going to have some food for y'all. Well, don't we get to pick? Just come to the concession. Man, it was the first time trying it for me. But I'll never forget it. Chicken strips with some cheese sauce and some ketchup. And then with ballpark nachos. That was a big one. With ballpark nachos, so with the cheese and the jalapenos. It really takes you a lot of pondering as to why the cheese and ketchup combo is so good. I would have to ask, like, have you never put ketchup on a cheeseburger? But sometimes we can get shown some things in some different ways. I just went way off in my head. Sometimes be like that. Gotta get this Yoo-hoo, at-home Yoo-hoo. Can't go drinking watery chocolate. Okay. That was much better. Much more like Yoo-hoo. Took a lot of chocolate to get there though. This is almost empty. Excuse me. Peace and much love.